Feather, wait.
What, Leopold, what are you doing here?
I wanted to see you.
Why?
It's me since I spoke to you. And I think there's something you should know.
No, there isn't, Leopold. You don't tell me anything anymore. We belong to different clans, remember?
Why are you being like this? It was hard for me too, you know. But Thundercat needs me to be their medicine cat, and I don't have any choice.
You did have a choice, and you chose to stay with them. Look, I shouldn't have been talking with you. Understand sees us. My climates have only just begun to trust me again, and that's mostly thanks to Nightcloud.
Cloud? Why?